Want to instantly improve your gaming performance without spending a penny? In this video, I'll show you how to reduce input lag by up to 30% using a free tool called Timer Resolution. If you're playing competitive shooters or fast-paced games, even the smallest input delay can make a difference. Timer Resolution helps lower that delay by increasing how often your system responds to input, but it needs to be set up properly. Windows by default updates its system timer only every 15.6 milliseconds. By maximizing timer resolution, we're forcing updates as frequently as every 0.5 milliseconds, which dramatically improves how quickly your system processes inputs from your mouse and keyboard. Let's get into it step by step. First, open your browser and click the download link I've included in the video description below. This will take you to the official Timer Resolution website. Once you're on the site, click the download button. It may redirect you to another screen. Just press download again if needed. The file is very small, so the download should only take a second or two. Once the download finishes, navigate to where you saved the file. Right-click on the timerresolution.zip file, then select Extract All. After extraction, you'll see the file timerresolution.exe. That's the one we'll be using. Before we make any changes, it's good to create a system restore point. This lets you roll back your system if anything doesn't work as expected. To create a restore point, type Create Restore Point in your Windows search bar. Click on Create a Restore Point. In the results, select your system drive, click Create, and give it a name. It's worth noting that while this optimization is safe for most systems, it may increase power consumption slightly on laptops. If you notice any unusual behavior, you can simply close Timer Resolution and restart your PC to return to default settings. Now, go back to your extracted timerresolution.exe file. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. First, check the box that says Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and choose Windows Vista from the drop-down. Then check the box at the bottom that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK to close the window. Now go ahead and double-click timerresolution.exe. You may get a user account control pop-up. Just click Yes to allow it. Once it opens, you'll see a simple interface with several buttons at the bottom and two important values at the top: current resolution and maximum resolution. If the current resolution is higher than 0.5 milliseconds, that means it's not running at full performance. Click the maximum button a few times. It should drop your current resolution down to 0.5 milliseconds, which is ideal. And that's it. You've now optimized timer resolution for the lowest possible input delay. If this helped you, feel free to drop a like, subscribe, or share this video with a friend who plays games and wants that competitive edge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.